Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, much as I commend the public participation that was done on the bill, and much as I commend the amendments that they have come with, I want to say that I reject, because we need to ensure that we listen to the population and what they're saying. This country right now needs to listen. We need to tighten our belts, we need to live within our means, and we need to address corruption. Yesterday, seeing Obado getting away with a settlement of only 15% when he owes 1.9 billion tells us that we are not serious about addressing corruption. If we address corruption, we will be able to fund the expenses of this government. It is time for us to take a position that corruption is the biggest enemy in the room. And I think I stand ashamed to know that only a house in Loreto is not 40 million. A flat in Nairobi is not 9 million. Even in the settlement, we are actually cutting deals. So we say no to corruption, and we fund and live within our means. I reject the 2014 finance bill. Thank you.
Member for Nyaribari Chache. Mike.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, a time has come as a godly nation to make decisions that will impact positively on the lives of the 55 million plus Kenyans.